frosty air they glide, wings of grace they softly ride, feathers kissed by winter's chill, yet their songs are warm and still. Birds of winter brave and free, dancing on the icy breeze, in the quiet snowbound trees, sing their songs for you and me. Snowy owls with eyes so bright, chickadees in morning light, cardinals like a crimson flame, each one whispers winter's name. Birds of winter brave and free, dancing on the icy breeze, in the quiet snowbound trees, sing their songs for you and me. Snowy owls with eyes so bright, chickadees in morning light, cardinals like a crimson flame, each one whispers winter's name. Birds of winter brave and free, dancing on the icy breeze, in the quiet snowbound trees, sing their songs for you and me. Their melodies rise pure and clear, the promised spring will soon appear, but until the thaw arrives, their music keeps the world alive. Their music keeps the world alive. So when the days grow cold and gray, listen for the birds' ballet, for in their flight you'll surely find winter's beauty pure and kind.